Miras na kayang magit 158 million pesos sa alagana ng pakat na mapalay kang mabilog ang Central Luzon, ing sinira na ng El Niño anyang milabas a bulan, agpang kay Department of Agriculture. Ketikim Pampanga at yun naging 67.9 million pesos ang total cost of damages kang agriculture sector, pauli na ng masabing weather phenomenon as of April 1. Sumangid na nini, pakanupanamdaman ng epekto na ng El Niño karang presyo na ng panyalwan, agpang keng Philippine Statistics Authority o PSA. Dapat malyaring magpakampanti, uling posible kanong makay-epekto yung inflation ng El Niño ngayon ng second quarter na ng banwa.
Maaari po nating makita ang impact nito pagdating ng second quarter. At mabanggit ko na rin po, mayroon pong mga interventions para ma-mitigate ang impact ng El Niño dito sa ating rehiyon. Ang Central Luzon El Niño Mitigation Action Plan, ito ay action plan na i-prepare ng ating Department of Agriculture Regional Field Office 3 for El Niño, which includes initiatives to maximize production doon sa mga non-vulnerable areas, and it measures to save production in vulnerable areas and rehabilitation of areas hard hit by El Niño and among others.
Agpangkid Chief Statistical Specialist ng PSA, Statistical Operations and Coordination Division at tinamang Technical Working Group bang mitigate ang epekto na ng El Niño. Kaya beda kanukyan ring mayalo ang ahensya ng gobyerno, kalupunan ng Department of Agriculture, National Economic and Development Authority, Department of Trade and Industry, Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources at haliwa pa. Samantala kalupaan niyang Pebrero at supamurin kang 4.8% ang inflation rate king Central Luzon anyang Marso. Mita siya inimanawit kang 3.7% anyang Enero. Palak nemang mababain ni kumpara kang inflation rate anyang March 2023 at king 8.4%. Ing inflation ng bilis ng pamagtasing alagada rin miyayaliwang panyalwan. Base king report na ng PSA at siya king 4.4% ang average inflation rate manibad January hanggang March ngayon banwa.
Ang pangunahing nag-ambag sa overall inflation noong Marso 2024 ay ang food and non-alcoholic beverages na may 47.4% share at nagtala ng 6.1% inflation.
Kayabe naman kareng mani munang minambagking inflation na ng food and non-alcoholic beverages, in cereals and cereal products, gulay, root crops, saging at aliwa pa. Makanyan muna man ng karnira, ring kinatat a animal. Kakaduwano man ka ring food and accommodation industry.
Ang pangalawang commodity group na may pinakamalaking ambag sa pangkalahatang inflation nitong Marso 2024 ay ang restaurants and accommodation services na may 16.9% share at 7.4% inflation. Ang pangunahing nag-ambag sa inflation ng restaurants and accommodation services ay ang restaurants, cafe and the like na may 7.5% inflation.
Katlo naman ng housing, water, electricity, gas, and other fuels karing major contributor kay March 2024 inflation at king 2.1%. King mabilog ang rehiyon naman, mani muna yaing Bulacan karing may kipakamata sa inflation rate karing probinsya at highly urbanized cities, at king 7.7%. Tutukiya kening Nueva Ecija at king 6.4%, kabang Katluya ang Olongapo City at 5.2%. Katlo naman ng Pampanga karing ating pinakamababang inflation rate at 2.4%, habang pinakamababa ang inflation rate king Zambales at 1.4%. Ako, ingke kayong talasuyo, Liana Kanilaw, ating pusong makabalin.